Hey everybody. Okay, just got a package today, and this is going to be an unboxing from the Scale Hobbyist website. I've ordered a few things from them before, and they're really quick shipping, so I definitely recommend them. So let's see what we got today. Looks like I got a bunch of paints for my airbrush. These are specific colors that I picked out, like glossy white, insignia red, flat flesh for action figures. So I got a bunch of those. Got some white surface primer, some airbrush thinner, some airbrush flow improver, and some airbrush cleaner. Okay. Nice big bottles. I got a Tamiya angled tweezer, which is really helpful for small parts and for putting on decals. I got some Tamiya, I remember what this is, I'm pretty sure. This is Tamiya Mark Fit. Basically, this is something you brush onto the surface of your model prior to applying your decals, and you also apply this after you over on top of the decals to make sure they set properly. And I got a metallic set of colors from Vallejo. Basically, these colors are colors I'll need for aircraft and for spacecraft, like aluminum, steel, chrome, stuff like that. So I got this silver. So all those type of shiny metal colors are in here. So it was well worth getting a whole packet. It comes out to be cheaper than individual colors. And that's it. This came pretty quick. Like I said, these guys are awesome. And so I guess I have no more excuses. I can start some of my projects now. So hopefully you'll see a video on that soon. Alrighty, until next time.